Hello, today we will see how constructors in JavaScript classes works. A constructor is a method that starts automatically when you create a new instance of any class. Constructor is used for initialization instance of class and is used too for creating properties of this instance. If you don't write constructor into class, such class has default constructor which is empty. We will show the advantages of writing and using own constructor. We have class student. You can see this class is empty and don't contain any visible constructor. It means that here is only empty default constructor. Now we create instance of class student with name student1. And if we want add any properties for this instance, for example first name and last name of this student1, we must use access to this instance via dot. So we can write student1 first name equals John, and we can also write student1 last name equals Black. Now it's possible write both values into a document, and we can see now that both values were added correctly. In other words, we can say that instance student1 now contains properties first name and last name to which specific values are assigned. And these values are value John in property first name and value Black in property last name. Better and more comfortable way how to work with properties of an instance is writing own constructor. So now we comment class student and uncomment class teacher. We can see that in class teacher is constructor with parameters first name and last name. In the body of the constructor, we create properties first name and last name. And these properties will be equal to the argument that we write in the constructor parameter when creating a new instance of class teacher. It is important to mention here that we write properties in the constructor after the keyword this. This keyword has several uses in JavaScript. In this case, the keyword this generally means an instance of the class. Each instance of the class we create will have properties, which we create after this keyword. In the next step, we create a new instance of class teacher. Name of this instance will be teacher1. We have a constructor with two parameters defined for teacher class, so we can give arguments for instance teacher1. The argument for the first name parameter will be Joe, and the argument for the last name parameter will be Cooper. We will now write both property values of teacher1 instance to the document. Now try to launch the page and see that the first name and last name of teacher1 instance will be displayed correctly on the page. The complete source code as well as the complete text tutorial for this video is located in the link written in the video description. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like, subscribe to this channel and put like.